Indian forces personnel launched widespread raids and the search operations across occupied Kashmir, leading to multiple arrests of the innocent Kashmiri youth. The raids were conducted by the Indian Army, Counterintelligence Unit, and the National Investigation Agency in Srinagar, Ganderbal, Pulwama, Islamabad, Budgam, and the Kulgam districts. The drones and the sniper dogs were used during the operations launched on the pretext of the recent killing of the private workers at a camp in the Ganderbal district. All parties Hurriyat Conference has paid glowing tribute to the Bijbehara martyrs on their anniversary today, reaffirming the Kashmiris' pursuit of self-determination as per UN resolutions. On 22nd October 1993, over 50 Kashmiris were killed by the Indian troops during a protest in the Bijbehara in the South Kashmir. APHC spokesman Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, called for an impartial investigation into the massacre. A delegation of the APHC AJK led by its convener Ghulam Muhammad Safi met with the Karachi Jamaat-e-Islami leadership to finalize the preparations for 22nd October anti-India protest rally in the city. Omar Khalid, an Indian Muslim PhD scholar and an activist, has completed 1500 days in New Delhi's Tihar jail since his arrest in September 2020. His prolonged detention without bail has raised concern among the activists, lawyers and the citizens, highlighting the disparities in India's judiciary handling of the dissent.